Very few.
I'm probably not.
Here's Al, teaspoon of cinnamon. Swallow it. See, that is so not cool. Cause she's doing it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh. There it is. But you can't do it.
I can't swallow it.
Al. Al.
I just threw up. Why would you subject yourself to that? Does dust cloud just come up on you?
Yes. I got it on camera. Okay, Al, wave bye to the camera.